Hi, everybody, and thanks for being here. Today, we are going to do a demo for Addmefast, addmefast.com. And Addmefast is a program where you can get likes and shares and all kinds of things for your social media, things like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and if anybody's still using MySpace as well. So, you've got all the what should I say, instructions and kind of features here. And it goes down and shows you all the things that Addmefast can do and all the platforms that it works on, right? So it's really like a social network to help boost your social network. So we are going to just start a new account and we're going to go to registration. So when you register, you're going to put in your email address, and I'll use fake email here, uh, and the password again. Make sure you're not a robot. I think that's 8476. Okay, so once you have put in all of your registration information, you're going to get an email with a confirmation link. So once you click that, you'll be able to log in fully with your email and your password. So on the inside now, you're going to see, this is what you're going to see on the inside. So on the left, you'll see a list with my sites, subscription, buy points, daily bonus, free points, and all the different types of social media. It goes all the way down, right? That addmefast.com works on. And in the middle, you'll see, it talks about free points, and you'll see I've got 8 points here. And we'll get back to this in a second, but I want to start with the left. So the left here, it talks about affiliate programs. You can actually earn points, and AdmeFast works off of points, right? So you don't pay anything. You pay in points, and you pay in support for other people's accounts, for liking their accounts or sharing them, or signing up. But you can be an affiliate of AdmeFast, and you've got your affiliate links and share on Google and Twitter and banners, and that can get you more points faster. So just want to show you that right there. Now, if you go over to the right side interface now, oh, sorry. If you go over to the left side, yeah, the other right, called the left side interface, you're going to see, like I said, these things here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to add a site. So you're going to have a site in mind. Let's say you have a YouTube channel and you want likes on your YouTube channel, or your YouTube page. So you're going to add a site, click add site, and it's going to ask you now, what type do you want? Facebook, likes, or shares, followers? What do you want? And we already said we want YouTube video likes. That's what we want. Okay. And we want it in every country. And the title of our video, we're going to put it here. And we're going to put the video URL here. So, this is assuming you've already had your video and it's up on YouTube already, right? This is what you do afterwards. Okay, so we are going to add a YouTube video. And it doesn't have to be your video, actually. It could be any video you find, but you probably want your video. So we went here and we want YouTube video likes. So we clicked on that. We want it worldwide. And then you're going to just put the title in here. So I got a demo video up. So let's see. The title for this is Geo Edge Full Final HD. Copy that. Come back. And I'm just pasting that in there. And the URL is up here at the top. Copy that. Just go back, paste that in. And the total clicks. Total clicks are how many clicks, like the limit for the number of clicks on the site. So we don't have any limit, and we don't have any limit per day. But for your clicks per cost, your cost per clicks, I should say, the you should know that the more points you allot is the more it motivates people to want to click on your stuff. So the minimum you can put is 2 points and the maximum you can put is 10 points. So we're going to put 6 points. That'll, bump people up to click. Because remember, the more points they get, it's the better benefit to them as well. So just click Save Changes. All right, congrats, your site page was successfully added. So now you're set up and you see the title of your video that you just uploaded here. The type, it's a YouTube video. These are the number of daily clicks. These are the total clicks that you would have gotten. And these are the current clicks. Now, the cost per click, remember we said 6 points per click. If you clicked on this, and you can check out your details here. So that's pretty much it for adding anything that you want to add. Now let's look at the daily bonus, because you can get extra points when you go to the daily bonus, and you can get daily 200 extra points, and that's if you're an active user. The way daily bonus works is that you gain points by doing the action that they tell you to do over here. It might be, Facebook likes or shares or followers or something like that. So after 50 actions, you can get 200 bonus points per day. But, word of caution, because Facebook, their algorithms are always changing, and you want to be careful with how many actions you do on Facebook. Just because if you're like, something gets 100 likes in like a minute, or a couple minutes, then that's a red flag for them and they may shut you down. All right, so no need to be scared, just something to be aware of. And you could also set a limit in the beginning of how many actions per day you want to be taken on your item. So that might help you as well. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Now, if you want to register for this site, which I recommend you do, click on the link below. It's an affiliate link, and that'll give me some extra points as well. And when you sign up, you can do the same thing with the affiliate site like we talked about over here, and get people to sign up under your affiliate link and get points for yourself as well. And go ahead and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials that I have coming up, not only on Addmefast, but on different websites that help me to really rank and share. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.